Hi, today I am going to make a small power bank for my non-smart smartphone. First of all, I need some batteries from my collection of old batteries, which are of course lithium-ion cells. I am going to make a small power bank, so I'll take 3 of these batteries. So let's get started. Now I will use solder in these batteries, which are not recommended because heat can decrease the capacity of the batteries. So they should be spot welded. Because I can't afford a spot welder, so I'm going to just stick with this method. I'm just soldering all the positive ends together and all the negatives ends together. By applying this one cell configuration, we will have 3.7 volt battery pack, which is suitable for this power bank circuit module. When the circuit is placed with some hot glue, I am using a metal plate as a heat sink and as a structural support for the batteries. This plate will perform as a heatsink and cool down the IC from the circuit. Before making this video, I accidentally connected the batteries reversed, which led to burning the whole IC. After connecting all the terminals correctly, I was able to charge my phone with this. And after connecting with my phone, this circuit works like a charm. And the small blue LED looks pretty cool. Now let's see how it acts while charging. So it blinks while charging. So after taking a good look, I think it works very good.